In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Canva on your Windows PC, ensuring that you can start creating amazing designs right from your desktop. So if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one you fancy. We're going to do a quick search for Download Canva. In the search bar, just type those words in and hit enter. What we're aiming for here is to find Canva's official download page so we can grab the right software directly from the creators. Once your search results pop up, you're going to want to click on the link that refers to downloading Canva, preferably from their official site. For ease and assurance that you're not downloading from a third-party source, you can directly type in canva.com/download/Windows. This URL takes you straight to the step we need. Now, when you land on the Canva download page, you'll see an option that says Download Canva for Windows. Give it a click. This button will initiate the download process for the Canva desktop app, which is tailored specifically for Windows. You can rest assured that this is the correct version since it matches the operating system of your computer. Once you've clicked the download link, the file should start downloading immediately. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. So be patient and let your computer do the work. You might see a little pop-up at the bottom of your browser window, indicating the progress of the download. After the file has downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder or simply click on the download notification, which is typically found at the bottom of your browser. When you open the downloaded file, you're launching the installation process. A setup wizard should appear, guiding you through the installation. Follow the prompts, read through any terms and conditions, and decide on an install location if prompted. Usually, it's best to stick with the default location unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once the installation is complete, you'll have Canva installed on your Windows computer. You can now find it in your Start menu or as a shortcut on your desktop, depending on your installation preferences. Open it up and log in with your Canva account, or sign up if you don't yet have one, to start exploring all the design possibilities at your fingertips. That wraps up our guide on downloading and installing Canva for Windows. By following these simple steps, you can now enjoy the convenience and power of Canva right from your desktop. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing the amazing creations you will bring to life using Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.